Welcome back, everyone, to day 11 of our 30-day English shadowing challenge here on Aprende Inglés Fácil. I am Lily, and as always, I am joined by Ethan. Today, we are focusing deeply on how to describe your daily routine and your habits using two powerful tools, action verbs and adverbs of frequency.
Hey, Lily!
Yes, today is all about precision. If you want to sound natural in English, you need to know exactly how to combine what you do, your action verbs, with how often you do it, your frequency adverbs. Words like always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, and never.
Exactly. And the most important thing for our listeners to shadow today is the word order. In English, the frequency adverb almost always goes right before the action verb. For example, you say, I always wake up, not I wake up always.
But wait, Lily, there is a major exception that trips up a lot of Spanish speakers, right? The verb to be. With am, is, and are, the frequency word must go after. For example, I am always ready.
That is a crucial rule, Ethan. Let's start our dialogue exploring our mornings, paying close attention to that exact structure. Ethan, tell me about your early morning habits.
Well, on weekdays, I usually wake up at 6:30 a.m. Notice I said usually wake up, but I rarely get up immediately. I always check my phone first for about 10 minutes.
I hear you. For me, my alarm rings at 6 a.m. and I always get up right away. I never stay in bed because if I do, I fall asleep again. I am always energetic in the morning, unlike you.
That is true. You are always awake before the sun. I am usually a bit lazy until I have my coffee. After I get up, I always brush my teeth and wash my face. Then I usually make a strong cup of black coffee. I never add sugar or milk.
Wow, I never drink black coffee. I always pour a lot of milk into my cup. After coffee, I usually have breakfast. I often eat oatmeal with bananas, but I sometimes cook eggs. I never skip breakfast because I need fuel for the day.
See, that is a big difference between us.
I hardly ever eat breakfast. I usually skip it and just wait until lunchtime. My body's usually fine with just coffee until 1 p.m.
I don't know how you survive, Ethan. If I skip breakfast, I am always in a bad mood by 10 a.m. After breakfast, I usually put on my running shoes. I often run for 30 minutes around my neighborhood. I always feel amazing after a good workout.
I rarely exercise in the morning. I sometimes stretch for 5 minutes, but that's it.
I usually save my heavy workouts for the evening. After you run, Lily, what is your next action?
I always take a quick shower, then I usually get dressed, and by 8:30 a.m., I am always sitting at my desk, ready to work. Let's talk about our work habits now. I usually check my emails first thing in the morning.
That is a standard habit. I usually open my laptop at 9 a.m. I never check emails first. I always check my task manager and start coding immediately while my mind is completely fresh. I often work for 3 hours without a single break.
3 hours? Wow. I sometimes get distracted, so I always set a timer for 50 minutes. When the timer rings, I always stand up, walk around, and rest my eyes for 5 minutes. I rarely sit for more than an hour without moving.
That is actually a healthier habit than mine, Lily. I am usually so focused that I forget to move. But at 12:30 p.m., my stomach always reminds me that it's time to eat. For lunch, I always cook something simple at home. I rarely buy fast food during the week.
Same here. My husband and I usually prepare lunch together around 1 p.m. We often eat chicken with vegetables or a salad. We never watch television while we eat. We always use that time to talk and connect.
I am always guilty of watching something during lunch. I always turn on a YouTube video when I eat. It is a habit I sometimes want to break, but it's hard. After lunch, do you feel tired? I usually experience a heavy crash around 3 p.m.
Oh, the afternoon slump. Yes, I sometimes feel tired too. When that happens, I sometimes take a 15-minute power nap. It always recharges my batteries. But I never sleep for more than 20 minutes or I wake up groggy.
Naps never work for me. If I take a nap, I am usually awake until 2 a.m. So to stay awake, I usually drink a huge glass of ice water, or I sometimes step outside for some fresh air.
That works too. I usually wrap up my work tasks by 5:30 p.m. I never work past 6 p.m. because I think it is important to separate work from personal time.
I agree completely. I always close my laptop at 6 p.m. sharp. After that, I usually head straight to the gym. As I said before, I always prefer evening workouts. I often lift weights for an hour about 4 times a week.
While you are lifting weights, I am usually in the kitchen preparing dinner. Cooking is how I usually unwind after a long day of mental work. I often listen to a podcast or some music while I chop vegetables. My husband and I always have dinner at 7:30 p.m.
What do you usually eat for dinner? Is it a heavy meal?
No, we never eat heavy meals at night. We usually have something light, like a warm soup or grilled fish. Eating heavy food always ruins my sleep. What about you, Ethan? What is your dinner habit?
Since I never eat breakfast, my dinner is always my largest meal of the day. I get home from the gym around 7:30 p.m., I always shower immediately, and then I eat a big plate of rice, beans, and meat. I usually finish eating around 8:30 p.m.
And what do you do after dinner to relax?
I usually dim the bright lights in my living room. I sometimes read a book, but honestly, I usually watch a movie or a TV show with my girlfriend. We never watch horror movies at night because she gets scared easily.
Good choice. In my house, we always turn off all screens by 10 p.m. We never bring our phones into the bedroom. Once I am in bed, I always read a physical book. It always makes my eyes heavy within 10 minutes. I usually fall asleep by 10:30 p.m.
Your bedtime routine is perfect, Lili. I often struggle with my phone. I usually promise myself I won't look at it, but I sometimes find myself scrolling through social media right before closing my eyes. I usually fall asleep around 11:15 p.m.
Well, nobody is perfect, Ethan. The important thing is that we have routines that help us function. On weekends, though, my routine is never the same. I always sleep in on Saturdays and Sundays.
Me too. I never set an alarm on weekends. My schedule is usually completely open and flexible, which is a nice break from the strict weekday routine.
Absolutely. Well, listeners, that brings us to the end of our dialogue for day 11. Notice how naturally those frequency words like always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, and never fit into every sentence describing our habits and action verbs.
Exactly. Go back, rewind this episode, and shadow our sentences. Pay close attention to how we place the adverb before the action verbs and after the verb to be. Practice makes perfect.
Thank you for joining us today on Aprende Inglés Fácil. Tomorrow, for day 12, we will explore hobbies and free time activities. Stay consistent, keep practicing, and see you tomorrow.
Bye, everyone. Keep shadowing.